Imagine being punished, not with prison, but with something so horrible that people would beg to die instead. History was not kind. In fact, some punishments were so brutal they make modern prisons look like a luxury hotel. And today, we're looking at the worst punishments in history. First, we go to Ancient Persia. This punishment was called Scaphism, and it might be one of the most disgusting punishments ever invented. Here's how it worked. A criminal would be trapped between two wooden boats. Only their head, hands, and feet were sticking out. Then the guards would do something strange. They forced the prisoner to drink milk and honey. Lots of it. Why? Because milk and honey cause terrible diarrhea. Yes, that was the plan. Soon the prisoner was covered in waste. Then guards poured more honey all over their body, and then they left them in a swamp. Soon flies, maggots, and insects arrived, and the prisoner slowly died over several days. Next, we travel to Imperial China. Here, criminals faced a punishment called lingqi, also known as death by 1,000 cuts. Instead of executing someone quickly, the executioner slowly made small cuts on the body, one by one, over and over. Sometimes this could last for hours. The goal wasn't just death, it was maximum suffering. Lingqi was finally banned in 1905, which is honestly surprising it lasted that long. In ancient Rome, criminals sometimes faced a punishment called Damnatio ad Bestias, which basically means condemned to beasts. The prisoner was thrown into a giant arena, and then they released wild animals. Lions, bears, leopards, thousands of people watched for entertainment. Imagine dying while a crowd of 50,000 people cheers. Not exactly a fair trial. Finally, we go to ancient Greece, where someone invented something truly insane: the Brazen Bull. This was a giant hollow metal bull statue. The criminal was locked inside it. Then, a fire was lit underneath. The metal slowly heated up until the person inside was literally cooked alive. But the worst part? The bull had special pipes inside, so when the victim screamed, their screams sounded like a bull roaring. Yes, someone actually designed that. So next time someone complains about a parking ticket, just remember, at least you're not trapped in a boat covered in honey or locked inside a giant metal bull. History was brutal, and honestly, we're lucky to live today.